are changing the wheels of the rail cars. The weather is beautiful. That is why they are having a lot of fun. You can see everybody is moving freely, almost moving comfortably and happily. Because the temperature now is 69. In February 3rd, that is exceptionally mild weather. What is this person doing? He is restraining the brake shoes after applying the air pressure through the airlines. So he have to retract the brake shoes before he gets. If you see him now, he is having the remote control or the cable control. So he's going to allow the forks, the two forks, to go under. One here, that one in the far end. This guy right here, he is going to lift the rail car up. That forklift right here. And this forklift here is going to pull out the wheels. So while you are watching, you are going to see the rail car elevated up first. So it can separate the axles from the chassis. It is just a drop at the hook. It is not complicated. All you need here is hydraulic lifts. You wonder why you have three forklifts? One on each side of the rail cars, one to lift the rail car and one to pull out. Oh, this guy here is lifting. You can see now the rail car is being elevated up. That's on your left side of the screen, right here. He elevated it up. I think he elevated both sides because they are coupled. So they elevated one side and that side elevated the other through the coupling. Now the wheels are free now. He's going to go under. Under the wheels. The wheels are separated now from the chassis. He got them now. He got the wheels up. He's pulling the axle out. and he is going to get a brand new axle. This is a new axle, and he's going to insert it in the place of the old one. Okay. That is the only axle. They just you can roll it on the wheels by a simple push and roll to align it with the groove. They are lowering now the rail car. Okay. He has the control in his left hand. So he already replaced the wheels. What does he do after that? They have to remove the chain that's holding the brake shoes away. So the brake shoes have to return back to the wheels.